it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with my sister Isa and I'm very excited because we're going to be doing an unboxing of a bag that she recently purchased, but she hasn't told me what it is. She wants it to be a surprise. So do you want to give us a little background on your purchase?
I will say this, it's a great bag and I'm not giving any hints, so
okay.
I'm excited for you to see it.
She said I wasn't going to guess the brand, and I was thinking it was going to be Hermès, but I feel like that's too obvious. So
I don't know. Only time will tell.
Is it a Bulgari bag?
Maybe.
All right, let's open the bag. So here's the box. It's a really big box. Like it doesn't even fit in the frame. If you got a Kelly, I'm going to die.
Okay, so a little background before I reveal.
Okay.
So I got this pre-loved, but it's also vintage.
Okay.
And I'm really excited.
I think it's a Kelly, and I think it's in box leather, and it's a black bag with gold hardware.
Me, black bag and gold hardware.
Okay.
That's my first Hermès bag.
Okay, maybe, is it gold?
Gold as my first Hermès bag with
all right,
that
pricing. Okay, hold it, and then I'll open. Hold on. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of jealous of you already. I'm like a little bit jealous, but I'm happy that we are gonna have one of these in our family, so.
It's very special.
Oh my gosh. Right, so tell us about the bag.
So this is a vintage Kelly 28 in Epsom leather with gold hardware.
Yeah.
And this bag was use stamp 1991.
I feel like the 28 is like the best size Kelly. At least for me, I think it fits, like it, I feel like the 25 is really small, but like the 28, I like the proportions of it better.
Yeah, oh, and it's Cellier, which is important to me.
Yeah, Cellier, I like Cellier because it has like a more structured look.
Can you believe that this bag is 30 years old, 30 plus years old?
I mean, no, I think it's in perfect condition, and I mean, I don't really see any like staining or yellowing of the bag anywhere. So, I mean, honestly, the quality is amazing. And then the hardware looks really great too. I don't see any scratches really on the hardware.
All right, Laura, so what did you think?
I'm a little low-key jealous that you got a Kelly bag before me, but that's okay because I'm glad that we have a Kelly in the family, and I hope to give her a cousin soon, so we'll see.
Yeah.
That'll be exciting. But I'm very excited for you, like really great purchase. I love that it's a vintage bag, especially for your first Kelly bag. I think that's like a very special piece to have.
Yeah, I never in a million years thought that I would be the owner of an Hermès Kelly. So it's still, I'm still processing it. Love the bag, and I knew Laura was gonna be jealous. So boom.
So as you can already tell, Isa, like myself, loves handbags, and it's really nice to have a sister that has a similar love for handbags like I do because, as you know, not everybody understands. As you guys probably know, not everybody understands. I think when you got the bag, you said that your roommate and her boyfriend didn't even care.
Not a care.
Like it didn't mean anything to them. So.
I even called my dad and I was like, you can't get upset with me over what I'm about to show you, but you have to be excited for me because you love me. And he still was just like, yay.
Didn't care. So with that being said, I am going to now share with you my sister's collection, and I'm going to rank from my favorites to my least favorites. So number one, at no surprise, is going to be the Kelly. I mean, this one, how could this one not be number one? It's brand new, it's beautiful, it's a dream bag, so number one goes to your Kelly. So number two is going to be your small vintage square Chanel bag, and I love this bag. I love the vintage squares. I think they're so pretty. I feel like they last really well. Like I always find them in really good condition online. And I also like the fact that it is 24 karat plated on the hardware. You don't find that anymore. So this is also a really special piece. So number 2 goes to this one. Number 3 is probably going to look a little familiar, and that's because Issa and I are bag twins with this bag, and it is the small gray chevron classic flap. This is from 20S. It's in the lambskin leather with the light gold hardware. She and I both got this bag. She got it first. She likes to say I copied her, but whatever. Third on the list is going to be this little cute mini rectangular classic flap, and this is in the iridescent beige. This is also a really difficult to get bag because I feel like when you got it, there was like none left in the country. I think this was like the last one left in the US. And we shared at the time in SA. She offered it to us. Issa took it, and I'm glad she did because it's such a pretty bag. It's so unique. I really love the iridescent bags, especially the ones that were coming out last year. They had so many pretty like ivory and pink, and I feel like this beige is just kind of like the perfect combination of the two because it has like this pink whitish iridescence to it, but it's a really great neutral as well, and it's in the gold hardware. Next up out of your collection is going to be the single flap jumbo that you got pre-loved recently, and I know that you got it for a really good deal. I absolutely love this one because number 1, it's this buttery lambskin leather, and it's in such great condition for a pre-loved bag for pre-loved lambskin. I also like that it's the single flap, so it's not as heavy as a regular jumbo. I feel like regular jumbos can get really, really heavy, especially when you put stuff inside. And I like the fact that you got it recently because I feel like right now is just like the perfect time to get a good deal on a jumbo, especially because big bags are starting to come back in style. I don't know if you saw like the Louis Vuitton show recently, but they had a ton of huge bags. So if you are into classic flaps, you are thinking about getting a jumbo, I would say now would be the time to get it. 6 on the list is this beautiful little bag right here. It is a small classic flap in this beautiful blue color with the light gold hardware. I feel like this was a very sought after blue also.
I know I got it in 2020. I think it's 21P actually it was.
Okay.
And I got really lucky with this bag too.
Yeah, you did.
Because
she has really good luck with bags.
Well, we just had a great essay at the time, but
yeah.
Laura and I, we went to the boutique together. She was going for the beige Claire at the time, and I was looking for pretty much this bag, not in this shade, but more of like a teal greenish, but they didn't have it. And this was actually not even on the floor or in the closets. And my essay said, you know, I think there's a bag in the back that you would really love. And she was right. She came out. She pulled this out and I said, yep, that's mine. It was an early birthday gift to myself, and it was the last one in the company.
Yeah, she was a really good essay. Don't you hate when your essay leaves and goes somewhere else? It's like you're happy for them, you want them to do well, but it's like, man,
I miss her.
Yeah.
She got me this bag. She got me the beige iridescent.
Yeah, she got me some pretty good bags as well. So the next bag that I'm going to show you, it was a little bit of a tie between this bag and the bag I'm going to show you next. This one is the Constance to Go. It is in the blue Frida color in Clemence leather with gold hardware. This is Hermès' version of a wallet on chain. So if you open it up, you'll see that it is just like a wallet on chain. You usually have all the card slots in the back with the center compartment, and then of course you have this really nice leather strap to wear it. I like it because it's very unique. It's a very pretty blue color. If you like pops of color, if you like bright blue, this is perfect. I feel like it would be a really great bag to take with you on vacation, like a tropical vacation or something like that.
Yeah, it's giving Aruba.
Yeah, Aruba. The next bag is this beautiful Bulgari mini Serpenti Forever bag, and it's a very special bag because number one, I love the green color. I think it's just a very special, beautiful pop of color. And then if you look at the eyes on the snake head are made out of malachite, so that's a really nice touch as well. And then I love the chain too. It feels like jewelry. I mean, Bulgari is known for their jewelry, so I feel like they really translated that well in the chain of the bag. I like that you can wear it crossbody, but I also feel like it looks really cute if you just like hold it like this, like at an event or something like that. And then inside is really cute as well. It's just a small little mini bag, but perfect for any event. So this bag also will usually come with a really nice mirror inside and then a raincoat as well. Next up is from Louis Vuitton, and it's this little Nano Noe bag. It's so cute. It's a little bucket bag. I'm not usually a big bucket bag person, but I feel like I would make an exception for this bag because it's just so darling. I mean, inside it's just one big compartment. If you like a bucket bag, this is really cute. I also like that you have this version because the newer version, they put like the vachetta at the bottom. And I'm not really a fan of having vachetta at the bottom of a bag. I feel like, yeah, I feel like it's a bad design detail and it's just like asking to get stains and like watermarks on it. So the fact that you have the canvas bottom, I like this bag a lot. It's really cute. Now this next bag is a bag that I've shown you guys before, at least in the pouch version, and this is the medium caro bag. I love this bag because number one, it's in the macro canage, so it's like this very supple, puffy leather, and I love Dior's leather. It's so soft and buttery. And I also really like this one because the hardware is gunmetal, so you have like this black on black look. It's very edgy and very cool. I feel like it's a very cool girl bag.
I love black on black, what can I say?
Yeah. I mean, me too. I have the YSL black on black wallet on chain, so I feel like it's a really cool look, especially like to go out to dinner and stuff like that. They have a few different versions of this bag. Like I said, this is the medium size. It comes in other sizes as well, and a really cute pouch. Next up is also a bag that I have, and it is the YSL Uptown pouch. I feel like these little pouches are such handy little bags to have in your collection. Anytime you have like an event and you just have something that you want to carry just a few items in, like your phone and maybe your card case or something like that, I feel like having these in different colors is a really great staple in your closet. I have done lots of videos on all of these YSL clutches, so I will link those above if you're interested in knowing more about this little pouch. Now we have this Lean Pico belt bag, and this is also a really cute bag. I love the mini size because it is mini, but it definitely packs a punch. You can fit a lot of stuff inside of it, including your phone. And then also, I like the leather on this. It's like an Epsom leather, so it's very durable, very cute, looks adorable crossbody, but you can also carry it as a top handle, which if you've watched my channel, you know that I love a top handle, so another really cute bag. Now we're coming down to the bags that my sister knew I was going to pick last. So no offense, Isa, but these are just my least favorite in your collection.
It's okay, I know I have good taste.
Now we have this little belt bag from Louis Vuitton. This is the Florentine extra small belt bag, and here is the little belt that it comes with. It is adjustable. Number one, what I like about this bag is I love the Damier Ebene print. Out of the 3 Louis Vuitton canvases, I would say this is probably one of my favorites. I love the Damier Azur, but because it comes with the vachetta, it is a little more high maintenance, but I would say that that one is my favorite. And then this one, the Damier Ebene, I like the little square print of the canvas, and I like that it is, you know, glazed in the dark. So there's no like vachetta, there's no light leather to worry about. It's very durable. If you're into Neverfulls, I would say out of all the Neverfulls, that would probably be my pick. The reason I don't really like this bag is it's just too small for me. It's definitely not gonna fit my phone. I'm not a big belt bag person, but it's still really cute.
Well, for me, this is my favorite Louis Vuitton canvas, and it was also the first canvas. Did you know that? The monogram actually wasn't this one.
Yeah.
Well, an earlier rendition of this.
Yeah. When they came out with the trunks and everything.
Right. So I have been looking at this bag for a while. I got this bag mainly to wear as a high crossbody. So it might look a little strange with this outfit, but it's a really good hands-free bag to have when you just need to go grocery shopping, stick your cards in there, put your phone in your pocket, and voila.
The next two are pretty much tied, and it's going to be this little cute monogram from Dior. I am not a huge Dior oblique monogram person. I love Dior. I love a lot of their designs, but out of all the stuff that they make, I would say their monogram is my least favorite, and I know that people love it. So if you love it, Don't hate me in the comments, please. It's just my
I haven't, so.
It just doesn't make my heart sing. I mean, it is a really cute bag though. I know you love it. It's just not one that I would go for. Next up is the Fendi Zucca Chef bag, and I think this is also a vintage bag, right?
Yes.
So nothing, I mean, I don't really hate any of your bags. I think all of your bags are cute, but if I have to rank them, this one just winds up at the bottom with the Dior oblique one. Last out of my sister's collection is going to be this little bag from Alexander McQueen. It is a black nylon bag. It has the signature skull on the front. It's a little magnetic button closure. You know, again, nothing terrible to say about this bag, but it's just, you know, not really my style. I'm not usually huge on Alexander McQueen bags, although there have been some bags in the past that I have liked. And also, I'm not really a big nylon person. Like, if there's a bag and it comes in a nylon version versus a leather version, like the Prada reissue bag, I generally would gravitate towards the leather over the nylon, but I do see the positives of nylon. It is a very like easygoing bag and it's really good for wear and tear. It's just, you know, not really my style.
Well, I love this bag because this is my when it's raining outside bag go-to.
Yeah, that's a good.
And you mentioned the Prada re-edition, so I actually wanted to get that bag for a while, but I don't love the chunky strap. Not really my style. I would still wear it, but mainly I wanted to get it as like a little going out bag, and I could use the silver chain as a shoulder bag. So I saw this on an app that I have, and it was on sale, so I kind of just pulled the trigger and made this an alternative. And I also really love the skull. So, yeah.
All right, guys, well, that is it for this video, for this surprise Hermes unboxing and then ranking my sister's handbag collection. I'm sure if you've watched a video of my handbag collection and now you've seen her handbag collection, you can definitely see where our tastes are probably similar and where they're different. So let me know in the comments below if you had a favorite bag of my sister's. I'm going to leave 2 videos on the next screen for you guys to watch if you're not done with my channel. And everyone give Isa lots of love in the comments below. This is the first video that we have done together.
Bye!